Hey my loves, and welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time, hi, you are so welcome. My name is Deborah Bums and welcome to the channel. Okay, so let's get into this video. Okay, so recently I have been very lazy with my hairstyles. I've been doing like the bare minimum. I've just been doing like easy to follow hairstyles, and I was like, you know what, let me take you guys along here on YouTube, because if you don't know, I've been very much active on Instagram, so you should check out my Instagram page. That's where you get most of me in terms of hairstyles for now. But yeah, basically I'm just trying to refresh this hair. As you could see, I already had like a style installed, and this one is basically just two parts and like a braid, and yeah, basic. So that's all I've been up to, but I wanted to share with you guys, like, if you are someone who is looking for like a quick fix for your hair and you don't really want to do like a regular puff at the top, or low bun or whatever, right? You just want something extra, you just want to up the look a bit, then this is for you. Okay, so I went in with like my water to just add some sort of moisture, and then went in with my leave-in conditioner. So feel free to use yours, feel free to use hair oils, butters, whatever it is that you want. Now that we're here, I'm just gonna create like this tiny section. This is what is gonna make all the difference, and then create like some tiny bangs on the sides, which we're gonna define to get those curls popping. As you guys know, I love shine and jam, but if you want to do like a sleek bun, then maybe try another gel. This was just what was easy for me to grab, and to be honest, while this is good, it doesn't give you like a lasting hold in terms of your sleek puff or sleek bun, right? It would slick it down quite all right, you can scarf it down, but if you want like that strong hold that will last you, then maybe get another gel. And if you have this as well, feel free to use it if you want to define your hair. You don't have to if you don't want to. Okay, so basically I use my hard bristle brush. All the products I'm using will be linked in my Amazon storefront, so feel free to check it out. And as you guys know, I always use my shoelace. I got a couple of questions about this, like, what do you use to tie your bun? Yeah, so I just use a shoelace, guys, a black shoelace. Can even be an orange one, to be honest, but just hide it in and nobody would know, trust me. So we've secured the bun now, and then my key secret for getting like a sleek puff, a sleek bun, a sleek ponytail, whatever, if you want it to be sleek, you have to scarf it down, and you need to be brushing that thing with a hard bristle brush. This brush, I have something like this in my Amazon storefront, so if you can just check it out and purchase if you want to. So the bun is secured. Next, you need to scarf this down. Grab a satin or a silk scarf. That's the only way you would be able to get this baby sleek. Okay, so once you scarf that down, your hair is now prepping and is setting down and all of that. Then we're going to go into kind of define this front section that we have. So basically what I went for were twists, and actually I feel like I should give you guys an update, because by the time I finished these twists, I was like, maybe I can actually be able to do like my mini twists again, because if you guys remember, the last time I tried mini twists, it was a fail, right? And when I saw the outcome of these particular twists, I was like, okay, maybe I should actually give mini twist a try, because I feel like I have learned how to twist perfectly, but we never know until we try, right? But yeah, so basically I have two sections, and I'm using the Anjaki's Don't Shrink gel to basically just add some sort of definition, and that's what I used to twist. And yeah, that was basically what I did for the front section. Now if you are not good with twisting, it's basically just wrapping it around each other while also having like a firm grip. Okay, so yeah, once that was done, I went ahead to I wanted to define my puff a little better. Like, I wanted to define it a lot more than what it was, so I did like 4 twists, and I got tired again, lazy. So which was fine, honestly. I was like, you know what, a puff is a puff, like a win is a win. So I just left the 4 twists in, and that was the definition that I gave to that puff. So now that we're done prepping the hair, I went in to do my makeup, which I'm just going to leave here to play just so that you guys can watch it, and let me know your thoughts down in the comment section. Okay,
gave me a love, honey, I was so killing me slowly. I'm lonely, I just can't get out my head, but I'm trying my best, baby. 'Cause if you're gone and I'm on fire, then I'll be looking for something or someone to take me higher. But I'm afraid to find out that it's done.
Okay, so this is the finished look, and if you are feeling like it, you can go ahead and unravel the twist. It depends on what you want and how you want this style to go for you. So if you like the twist as it is, keep it like that. It's still a style. If you want to unravel the twist and get those curls popping, do that as well. And then finally, you can also just add a little more detail by using a scarf and basically just up the look even better and even more. So yeah, if you want to add a scarf, just basically just tie the scarf around, place it on top or in front of the bun, and there you have it. It's a whole different hairstyle. You don't have to do too much. And yeah, so I really hope you guys enjoyed this one. It was really quick, really simple, and I just wanted to share with you guys what I've been up to with my hair. More hair videos are coming up, so if this is your kind of thing, then please hit the subscribe button, like this video, comment down below your thoughts and what you guys would like to see next in terms of hairstyles, in terms of things that you would want me to try. I'm really open to like hairstyle ideas, okay? But yeah, let me know your thoughts down in the comment section. Like this video, subscribe if you are new, and I would see you guys in my next one. Bye guys, love you.